Hello, I am Keen. Today we will listen to a story. After listening to the story, I will ask some questions from that. You can answer that in a word or more. This will improve your spoken English and memory strength. Let's begin. A popular singer, Williams, lives in London. He is very disciplined with his work. He always likes the disciplined person. He has sung many songs in the concerts. His wife, Olivia, works in an NGO. She always helps the person who is in need. She also works in a good company. She has donated 5 lakhs, which is 25% of her income. She has a child named Agatha. Agatha is a joyful person. She is pursuing her graduation. She used to work as a freelancer. She earns a good amount of money from there. All of them come together at night and used to watch a movie. They enjoy too much with this late night movie watching routine. This is the end of the story. Now, I will ask some questions out of it, and you can answer that in a word or more. Let's start. Who is the popular singer in the story? Williams is the popular singer in the story. Where does Williams live? Is he from Amsterdam? No. Williams lives in London. How would you describe Williams' approach to his work? Williams is very disciplined with his work. What does Williams always appreciate in a person? Does he hate a disciplined person? No. Williams always likes a disciplined person. Who is Olivia? What has Olivia done with 25% of her income? Olivia is Williams' wife. She has donated 5 lakhs, which is 25% of her income. Besides working in an NGO, where else does Olivia work? Besides working in NGO, Olivia also works in a good company. What is the name of William's child? What is she pursuing? William's child is named Agatha. She is pursuing her graduation. What kind of work does Agatha do? How much does she earn? Agatha works as a freelancer. She earns a good amount of money from her work as a freelancer. How do they end their day together? Do they feel tireless? They come together at night and watch a movie. No, they do not feel tireless. They enjoy watching a movie together. That's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you loved the video, you can give us a like and subscribe to the channel.